so much for watching another Jane's Daughters tutorial. I'm Lindsay.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And today we are making our Dollar Tree coaster tile craft project. Super cool, something that I'm going to be hanging in my kitchen after I'm done with this. But you can definitely use this to accent any wall or photo collage. It's just, it'd be great in between, like on a little, like a smaller wall.
Yeah.
Really anywhere. It's just a cute little project. So these tiles we picked up at the Dollar Tree. Some of them, they are coasters. They're supposed to be used as coasters, but they have prints on them, and then some have words. This one says, "Do all things with love."
It says, "Today is a good day to have a great day."
So yeah. So we're going to use 2 prints and 1 sayings, one that has a saying.
We're going to get started with, I'm using gross grain ribbon for mine, probably about 2 feet. That is a burlap ribbon. I'll leave a little bit, maybe like a 4-inch tail, and then place the first tile. And I'm thinking like an 1.5 inches in between.
And we're kind of ballparking it because I feel like this is a very forgiving project.
Absolutely. So we're just going to go ahead and put a bead of glue down the center of the tile and place it where we had decided that that's where we're going to have it. And the same with all 3 of them.
Okay.
And then we're going to take an O-ring, just a simple O-ring like you would get on a keychain, and we're going to slip that through the top. And I'm thinking, I'm not going to do anything with that yet. I'm not going to glue that or adhere that yet, because I'm going to go ahead and make an accent bow with the same ribbon. This is a thinner bow, so I'm just going to go ahead and tie it.
But what are you doing around the O-ring?
I'm going to eventually glue it together. But I want to make sure that that's where I want it.
A tail to be able to tuck it back and glue it to the other side.
Yes.
So it will hang and be supported.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Okay, so I am going to go in. Now I have a good bit here. So I'm going to cut that. I'll leave about 2 inches there. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good bead of glue. Hold that so that stays securely in place.
Okay. With your ribbon, you just made a normal
tie, simple bow, no.
If you're using a thicker ribbon like I am, I'm just going to make a very simple bow, making sure I have a little bit of a tail, make a loop, bunch it together, twist in the back, and make another loop down and up. And then I'm going to use wire to hold that in place.
And I have my bow, so I'm going to go ahead and put a dab of hot glue in the back, and I'm just going to attach it right underneath that O-ring.
For my bow, I'm just taking the wire through the center to the back and twisting. And I didn't need this much wire, I cut way too much. Then I will take my tail, bring it down to the bottom, and I will cut the excess off the bottom here. There is my little bow. And here, you glued yours. I can actually use the wire.
I would glue that first.
Okay, and glue the back.
Just be careful because the
Yeah, I
glue
know.
is going to
Go
seep
through it.
through yours.
I love burlap, but when you're using hot glue, it is not the funnest fabric to glue.
And then you can just take your bow, stick it through.
All the way through, and then I'm just gonna twist a couple of times. Then I'm actually gonna cut it pretty close down here. And just tuck that, press it back.
Great. Now I have these cute little paper flowers. You know what, I've had them for years and years and years, but I just love them. And I thought that would be a cute little accent to the middle of the bow.
Absolutely. And you
Mine
can,
has a little bit of polka dots. Yours is a little bit more plain, but that's...
these little paper mache flowers come on a sheet, and you can get them at almost any craft store. I've seen them everywhere.
I know. I love them.
And I love that these tiles from the Dollar Tree, and you can get these O-rings at the Dollar Tree.
And this again, these were $1 each. You know, if you have the ribbon, I mean, not much more. You know, maybe $4.
I wasn't thinking about the fact that this burlap on burlap and the glue goes through it, so my project stuck.
The casualties of crafting. Oh, that's so cute. And
Oh, yeah, I
just
like
went
that you
ahead
cut.
and put a
Okay,
little-
so you always want to take
It's going to be hard
the
to
edges.
see. Laying up against
Let me just cut it to be a little flag at the bottom.
Isn't that just adorable?
So stinking cute! Very easy little decor piece to add in a little nook or cranny of your home. Thank you guys so much
Thank
for
you.
watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you, especially if you tried this tutorial. You can send us a picture or message us on Instagram or Facebook. We can't wait to see you next week. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy crafting.